Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 28, Sensors, LSM9DS1, Mk11. SparkFun 9DOF IMU Breakout, LSM9DS1. The SparkFun LSM9DS1 Breakout is a versatile, motion-sensing system in a chip. It houses a 3-axis accelerometer, 3-axis gyroscope, and 3-axis magnetometer, 9 degrees of freedom, 9 DOF, on a single board. The LSM9DS1 from STMicroelectronics is equipped with a digital interface, but even that is flexible. This IMU-In-A-Chip is so cool we put it on the quarter-sized breakout board you are currently viewing. The LSM9DS1 is one of only a handful of ICs that can measure 3 key properties of movement, angular velocity, acceleration, and heading, in a single IC. By measuring these 3 properties, you can gain a great deal of knowledge about an object's movement and orientation. The LSM9DS1 measures each of these movement properties in 3 dimensions. That means it produces 9 pieces of data: acceleration in x/y/z, angular rotation in x/y/z, and magnetic force in x/y/z. The LSM9DS1 Breakout has labels indicating the accelerometer and gyroscope axis orientations, which share a right-hand rule relationship with each other.
Now the sensor here, SparkFun thing plus here, feather wing screws here, switch here, power, the LiPo here, date and time here, GPS receiver here, and here now the movement here, this, the gyroscope and compass, and here this, and attitude and rotative and rolling, and this, so perfect for the good. Now the project and movement here, the programming here, pins here, and tools here, power sponge plus zoom here, this switch here, GPS here, and date and time, and movement here is good here, and this wire here, this and this, perfect. The project here, library, Bluetooth keyboard here, switch here, peripheral here, the date and time, GPS receiver here, and wire here for here, and sensor here, Bluetooth keyboard here, string, and this size here, date and time here, GPS receiver here, GPS plus here, and target, the latitude, longitude, and this, and good or bad. GPS hardware here, sensor here for movement. This and here for gyro, compass, and latitude here. Pins for switch here, and switch, and software first, and date and time, GPS receiver, keyboard for here, gyro here, and this, and switch here, and switch good. So go to computer here and delay 1 minute, seconds here. Bluetooth keyboard here, GPS good, size here, and size first, the bits, and right for the here delay, and right after the here this right return here. GPS receiver here, this setup here, this begin here, and here the good, okay, the send, and location here, latitude and latitude, yes or no. The perfect here, the date and time, target here, valid, time is same thing, valid, and here, and GPS keyboard, vector here, and date and time, and that's it. This, the sensor here, gyro here, and perfect here, and gyro this and this, gyro here. Value here is good. Read here, and same thing. Compass here, here, read here, and keyboard here. Latitude here, roll and pitch here, and this. So this, good or bad, and the degrees here, and this, and keyboard here, and that's it. Date and time, set up here, date and time, year and year, date and time, and this keyboard here, this version, date and time. Set up here, Bluetooth keyboard here, beginning here, wire beginning here, the power here, date and time, set up for GPS here, beginning the sensor here, switch, and the LEDs here, and the here, and that's it. Now the Bluetooth first, and go to the Bluetooth and the me computer. So perfect. So now the here battery here, and Now, perfect here. The date and time and GPS and movement here. So perfect. And switch here. And the computer and see the sensor. Perfect. So now this and see the computer here. Now the computer here and date and time in the sensor here and date. This here version, date and time. Status for GPS here. Latitude, longitude, date and time. The GPS here. Gyro, this and this. Magnet here. This and this. This, heading, fish and roll. And that's it. And switch here. And this, the switch here. And the computer here. Now switch. So this GPS receiver here, this and this and this and this gyro here and this. So this perfect for the computer and the computer and app the here. Perfect. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram.